Alright, thanks Mario. Alright. Okie dokie. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Yeah, my exhaust is pretty loud now, so I'm just getting out of service. San Francisco BMW. I had him look at my headlight lamp. Yeah. I had him look at my headlight lamp, like the right side just developing a sort of a crack. I'm not sure, there's no impact crater or anything like that the rock chip could have done. So I don't know if it's a manufacturing defect. So I was hoping that a warranty replacement could be done. So that's why I took it in, and they had a look into it and took some pictures, and that's where we're at. So I'm gonna be back tomorrow though for my GS major service, so that's still gonna happen. And that sound though, yeah, it just started happening. I was washing my bike, and you know how meticulous I am with my bike, and I notice everything. And I didn't get hit by any rock chip or anything like that, and it just started developing this sort of hairline crack, and I just noticed it every single time. It started to bother me, and I looked at the replacement headlight lens. It's just like $400 for just one side. And I'm not about to do that. Yeah, my Rapid Bike Evo is still learning. This is the first long ride that I ever done on this bike. So I haven't ridden it ever since I installed everything, like I mentioned on the other video. So right now I'm just kind of trying to ride it a lot and just try to basically learn this stuff, learn the mods, and hopefully, as you can see, the air right now in San Francisco is a little bit weird because we have multiple wildfires, and it's just the air quality sucks right now. It smells like smoke everywhere, so it's actually bad for me because I have asthma. So hopefully I don't get an attack while I'm riding. It's been a long time since I done some sort of vlogging, so maybe I'll give it another shot. It's been a long time. It's been a while since I recorded anything in my GoPro, so I figured, you know, what the heck, I'll give you guys an update and a sound clip of how the bike works. It's kind of a win-win situation. I don't know if you guys can really hear me. Hopefully you can. I have a microphone right on my face, so it sounds amazing. It sounds like a really nice, like, it sounds almost like a sports car, if anything. It's not like a whiny motorcycle exhaust. It's like it has its own tone. I mean, you guys know what I mean, the high-pitched whiny sound when you have like a, you know, like a 600cc, like wow wow, something like that. It's not like that. It's like almost deep but solid. Yeah, it's not good because it's a rush hour, so. Yeah, the air, you see all around me is just smoke everywhere. I think there's fires up north and south as well. Multiple fires. It's crazy. It's hard to breathe, really. I gotta get gas. I think I still have the same full tank from the track. So yeah, it's about that time to get gas. mean, this new exhaust note kind of seems like I'm going faster than I am, but because it's loud, it feels like I'm going fast, but I'm not really. I'm just doing 74, 75, and yeah. So I don't know. I love it though. I love the sound. I had on my track day, I had the suspension tuned by Dave Moss. So I mean, he clicked a few buttons. He didn't really physically change anything on the geometry of the bike, which is okay. I mean, it's good out. It's really good out of the box. I just need a couple of tweaks, and he did that for me. He was offering his service for free at the track at the time, which is really good deal. But I did pay a lot for that track day. The specific track day is a special coaching day with Ken Hill, and I definitely learned a lot. So actually, I should have talked about that first. That I went to a coaching event, Ken Hill coaching, for 2 days, and I learned a lot. I learned like way a lot. I mean, the class is expensive, I know, but it's definitely worth it. I might do it again next year. I know it's the same instructions and all that, but I think it's worth it. I'm gonna do it again. The coaches are spot on. They will follow you, they'll guide you, they'll talk to you, they'll sit down with you, get everything done, all your weaknesses, you ask them about it, they'll tell you what you're doing wrong. It helped me a lot, so I recommend it, really. I know it's expensive, you can learn everything on your own on the street, whatever, but if you can afford it, it's definitely worth it. I actually haven't used the cruise control on this yet, but I don't really ride this bike on the street compared to my other S1000. The GS really is my street bike. But it's so smooth, and the weight reduction from the exhaust modification it's so significant that I can feel it. I can just flick the bike very easily. I can move the bike very easily, and then all that. It's just, I think it's a must investment to change the exhaust. It's so heavy, the stock exhaust. So hopefully you guys can hear all that. I feel like I can't hear myself talk actually. And my ears are ringing. My ears are ringing really bad. I should have worn earplugs. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it for today. I'll try to record more videos later on. My ears are really ringing. I think I just hurt my eardrums. I'll see you guys on the next video, and thank you guys for watching.